Number one is the square function. It's a user defined function that user define it itself, and we have formula for this, that x multiply 2. It's a formula for square, and we name this function as square, and we take a variable for this x, and at the bottom we uh, assign 6 to a. For example, if we want to find the square of 6, so then we print a message square of the given number and call the function and assign a to that. So the output will be square of the given function is given number is 36. So the square of 6 is 36. And the second function is finding the average of numbers. It's also user defined function. We gave the name of this function, uh, finding the average. So we assign x, y, and z variables, and result for we assign the formula of the finding average to result, and then return the result. And then we assign the values, three values, 73, 80, and 87 to a, b, c, and then we print a number, print a message here. The average of three values are, and then we call the functions and assign ABC to that, and the output will be the average of three values are 80. So the average of these three values, 73, 80, and 87, will be 80. Next one, we have finding GPA. It's also a user defined function. We use a formula here also, and we use if else condition here. We name this function find GPA, and we assign GPA inside it, and we use if condition, that if GPA is greater or equal to 60 and GPA is smaller than 66, print C grade. Elif GPA is greater than 66 and smaller than 72, print C plus grade. Elif GPA is 72 greater or equal to 72 and smaller than 80, print B, and blah blah. So at the end, else print fail. If all these conditions are not satisfied, then we print fail. So in here we assign 87 to marks, and then we print a message your GPA is, and then we call function marks, finding GPA function, and assign marks on that, and then the output will be your GPA is A grade. It means we have 87 marks, and we have elif here. Elif GPA is equal to 87 and GPA is smaller than 92, print A grade. So it's printed here A grade. And this the next one is print function. It's a built-in function. It exists in code itself. For example, if we assign 50 to A and then print A, the value of A will be printed at the output, and then we print string part. For example, a string part, we use brackets, we use double quotes, sorry. We use double quotes while printing a string, and print and the next in third line we print string plus assign plus call a variable here, and the output will be string and the value of the variable, both of them will be printed. And next one is list function. It's also a built-in function in Python language. So we assign list to name, and we use while function in here. While is equal to, while true, we assign input to value, and we ask value from users, and we use if condition. If value is equal to stop, then break. And so elif value, if value was equal to BBA, then continue the loop, and the loop will ask for more values or more strings. Else uh, print or add the value to the list. It means if the value was equal to stop, then break the loop and stop and go out of the function. And if elif value was equal to BBA, then continue, the loop will be continued, and it will be asked for more string. Else it if it was a string other than stop and BBA, then it will be added to the list. So thank you.